Alright, so what we have here is one of our old assembly tables, and we don't use them anymore because we have the rack, and they take up a pretty significant amount of space, but they're very well built, and we can use them to store stuff underneath conveyors. So we're going to chop this thing up and literally lean it out and repurpose this thing. Alright, so here we go. We've taken the old assembly cart, cut it down, and kept 3 of the cubbies in the back, mounted the wheels on it, and got space now for our carton tape, 2 spaces for that, and then the squid ink cleaning stuff, which is highly specialized to remove the ink that gets on the conveyor and on the actual print head. So we were keeping that stuff over there at those shelves, which would mean anytime you have to change a roll of tape, to walk all the way down this aisle, around the warehouse, around the bagger, over to there, and back again. So now all we have to do is reach under here, put the tape on this machine, and grab the cleaning kit to clean the squid ink machine, which is right here. And this guy, which is on wheels, fit right underneath there. Very neat, very tidy, very lean, and eliminates the sin of transportation.